Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you in case if you are seeing any sort of error for the template that you have sent to the customer and it got failed. Where to check what does each code means here. So we do have a dedicated documentation for the same. I will be adding the same in the description box below. So just to check, I will show you documentation as well. You can see here we have this meta errors in BotPenguin. So it will give you the list of all the errors that you can receive from Meta with their error code. And in case if you are receiving these codes, you will be able to see that in the inbox of the BotPenguin, and you can verify it in the BotPenguin documentation. What does each error code means and how to fix it. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any queries regarding the same, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.